You'll practice basic Korean words.
Let's learn Korean house words. Repeat after me. Entrance. Hien Kwan. Living room. Ko Sil. Master room. Anbong. Bedroom. Chim Sil. Door. Moon. Window. Chong. Wall. Biog. Stairs. Kaya Dan. Kitchen. Jubong. Bathroom. Yogsil. Balcony. Balcony. Laundry room. Sitog Sil. Elevator. Sungangi. Garage. Ju Cha Jahong. Playground. Noli Teo. Fence. Altali. Well done, repeat until you can say it from memory. Let's learn Korean colors words. Repeat after me. Red. Pal Kong. Orange. Chu Wang. Yellow. Nolong. Light green. Yandu. Green. Cholog. Blue green. Chonglog. Blue. Parong. Navy blue. Nam Sag. Purple. Jaju. Maroon. Godong Sag. Pink. Bunong. Gold. Kum Sag. Brown. Galsag. White. Ha Yang. Gray. Hosag. Black. Kum Jung. Well done, repeat until you can say it from memory. Let's learn Korean tableware words. Repeat after me. Rice bowl. Sa bal. Soup bowl. Day job. Noodle bowl. Myun ki. Lunchbox. Dosalag. Spoon. Sudgalag. Chopsticks. Jusgalag. Knife. Naipeu. Fork. Pokiu. Tray. Jeongban. Plate. Jobsi. Drinking glass. Suljin. Teacup. Chasjin. Bottle. Biong. Canister. Tong. Box. Songja. Jar. Houng alley. Well done, repeat until you can say it from memory. Let's learn Korean gems words. Repeat after me. Gold. Kum. Silver. Un. Copper. Guli. Steel. Gong chul. Lead. Nab. Tin. Chuseog. Aluminum. Aluminum. Metals. Kum sog. Diamond. Diamondeu. Ruby. Luby. Emerald. Emeraldeu. Sapphire. Sapphire. Pearl. Jinju. Gems. Bozog. Money. Don. Coin. Dongjan. Well done, repeat until you can say it from memory. Let's learn Korean animals words. Repeat after me. Bear. Gom. Camel. Nagda. Deer. Sa Siam. Elephant. Kakili. Fox. Yeo. Giraffe. Gillin. Lion. Saja. Monkey. Wansungi. Raccoon. Neoguli. Squirrel. Dalamjui. Tiger. Holangi. Wolf. Nugde. Cat. Goyangi. Cow. So. Dog. Gaya. Goat. Yomso. Horse. Mal. Mouse. Jawi. Pig. Dwaiji. puppy, gongaji, rabbit, toki, sheep, yang, dolphin, dolgole, whale, gole, crocodile, agio, frog, giggly, snake, bame, turtle, ko-boogie, fur, tail, hoof, gub, horn, bull, tail, collie. Well done, repeat until you can say it from memory. Let's learn Korean birds words, repeat after me. Bluebird, parongse, cardinal, hongganjo, chicken, dalg, crane, delumi, crow, kamagwi, duck, ollie, eagle, dogsally, falcon, may, flamingo, pulamingo, goose, kowi, hawk, suli, heron, wegali, hummingbird, bolse, owl, opami, ostrich, tajo, parrot, engmuse, peacock, gongjag, pelican, pelicon, pigeon, biddle-key, robin, ulsa, seagull, galmayagi, sparrow, chamse, stork, wongse, swallow, jebi, swan, baekjo, turkey, chilmyeonjo, vulture, dogsally, woodpecker, taktaguli, feather, geestail, wing, nalke, peak, buli, nest, dungji. Well done, repeat until you can say it from memory. Let's learn Korean fishes words, repeat after me. Bass, nang-o, carp, eng-a, catfish, meki, cod, daegu, halibut, neobchi, mackerel, godung-a, salmon, yon-o, sardine, jungioli, sturgeon, choogub-sang-o, tilapia, tilapia, trout, song-o, tuna, chamchi, clam, joge, lobster, badagaje, oyster, ghoul, shrimp, seu. Well done, repeat until you can say it from memory. Let's learn Korean insects words, repeat after me. Ant, gamey, bee, beol, beetle, tag jung beol ray, butterfly, nabi, cicada, may me, cockroach, bakwibal ray, dragonfly, jam jolly, earthworm, jilang ee, firefly, bon dispel ee, fly, polly, grasshopper, metugi, ladybug, mudangbal lay, mosquito, mogi, moth, na bong, snail, dalpeng ee, spider, go me. Well done, repeat until you can say it from memory.
See you in the next one.